Good morning, everyone. So let's start with one more question, physics question. That is, in a common emitter, amplifier having a voltage gain G, the transistor used as a transconductance 0.03 mho and current gain 25. If the above transistor is replaced with another one with a transconductance 0.02 mho with a and the current gain 20, the voltage gain will be how much? So we have to find out the voltage gain. So before starting with the voltage gain, here it is given as one more as transistor. For the transistor, we have to consider as a voltage gain is equals to AV. Voltage gain for transistor is equals to beta into output resistance divided by input resistance, that is RC divided by RL, load resistance antanu ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So now beta is equals to beta into R naught divided by Ri is the input resistance, and here it is given the value of for transconductance. So transconductance is nothing but conductance is nothing but opposite of resistance. Resistance usually formula for resistance using Ohm's law, R is equals to V by I. So conductance becomes as a, so I am noting with the value of G. Transconductance for transistor, it is taken as a G is equals to I by V. So here output resistance, so therefore it is taken as G is equals to IC divided by VB, base voltage, collector current divided by base voltage. So this base voltage is replaced with the current and resistance IC divided by VB. It is written as an IB, delta IB, delta IC, change in collector current, divided by delta VB, delta IC divided by delta IB into RI. So now we can know that beta is equals to, beta is nothing but what? Current gain is equals to IC, delta IC divided by delta IB. So from this question it is replaced as delta IC divided by delta IB is equals to what? Beta divided by RI. Beta divided by RI. Beta divided by RI is what? G. That is G is equals to beta divided by RI. So voltage gain is equals to that is a G divided by beta, it is already there, beta divided by RI, RL. So G RL, GM into RL. So here gain, voltage gain is directly proportional to what? Directly proportional to transconductance. Voltage gain is directly proportional to transconductance. So therefore voltage gain for the ratio it is given as